Okay, so I'm out here south of Las Vegas, probably about 45, 50 miles, right past the state line, just right into California. And out here's an old gas station that's probably been here since the 40s. I'm sure a lot of the old mobsters coming from California to Vegas before Vegas was really a huge city. They probably stopped here at this cafe that I'm tearing down and had breakfast or lunch on their way home. So it's been sitting here forever. Another company bought this and they want it to develop it into another station. And so my job is to come out here and tear this whole thing down. Got Chasing Cash, both my sons are out here, and a crew, my Chaka, my worker, Julian's out here helping us out with a bunch of stuff, and we're selling some things along the way. We got some old trucks and some valuables out here that we're trying to get rid of on Marketplace as we go. I'm doing this job with a good friend of mine that owns Top Notch Services, which is Carmen Ivino, and we're waiting on some more equipment. In the next couple of days, we should have all this tore down. I'm gonna rip these all down and put them in dumpsters and get them out of here. So hopefully by the time this is over, I mean, it's all gonna be smooth dirt. We'll see. I found this little thing here when I started tearing this town down, and it has a really cool kitchen in it. I mean, this would be good for me to clean up and take to our property up in Utah, make a little cabin out of it. As you can see, there's a ton of shit in it. But once we clean it all out, make it look good in here, this is kind of neat. Put a little bed in here, a little couch like this one. Not this one, because this one's totally rotted out. But we'll get one like this that folds down into a bed here. And then that back room back there, we can probably put a little bed in there. But this will sleep a couple of us. This will be fun.
That's your entertainment center, your living room, your guest room, your bathroom. Yeah, bro.
That's cute. This is cool. Probably all runs on propane. This probably runs on propane, this little refrigerator. We'll get that thing going. Frigidaire, that's a good one right there. Hey, look at this. It's pretty nice in here, really. This old Art Deco shit from probably back in the 50s. See that? It's built pretty good. Now you got, do a few little things to it, but I'm gonna just clean this thing up and take it up to our cabin up in Utah. And this will be my little getaway for the weekend. So all you ladies out there that are looking for a nice little weekend getaway, come check out my little hillbilly camp. You're gonna love it. Remember, we're out here demoing a whole job. We've got a bunch of equipment out here, some Bobcats, skid steers, and some loaders, some big forklifts, my green Peterbilt, all these Dodge trucks. In my red fuel that I'm running, I always run the Max MPG because you never know for sure what you're getting when you fuel up. So make sure you run it in there, and it's great for these new tractors for sure. I know that on that big loader, it makes it run a lot better and it feels good driving that thing. So all right, guys, that's it. Got done with the town. We tore at least 5 to 6 acres of old buildings down. The story is basically They call it CalNev, was the name of the gas station back in probably the 40s and 50s. We found so much cool stuff, old pictures, old flyers of the building back in the 50s, 60s. And the story is that at one point, the Manson family laid up there for a little while. Think about the traffic that was coming from LA to Vegas all the way back then. That was a stopping point right there. But we tore down all the buildings. We found a bunch of cool stuff. I found a really neat old mobile sign. I'm super stoked about it. So it was a lot of work. It was 10 days in the desert, lived in a motorhome, showered in a little tiny shower this big, but it was cool. The money was good. It was fun to tear it down, and gonna go to the next one. There's another little job that's coming up soon, and I'm hoping it works out, and if it does, I'll tell you what it's all about. So it'll be cool.